Welcome back. In this video, let's look at the different operators that can be used on the Boolean values. These are called logical operators. Typical operators that you can do on a Boolean values are AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. Let's look at all of them in this specific video. So let's say we have a value true and the other value is false. True and false is false. So AND is true only when both the booleans are true. So true and true, this would be returning true. However, if any of the boolean values is false, then the result of this operation will be false. So if I do true and false, or false and true, or false and false, all of them return false. So the logical operator AND is true only when both the operands are true. The next operation is OR. OR is true if one of the operands is true. So true or false is true, false or false, actually false or true is also true, true or true is true, and the last one is false or false is false. So AND is true if both the operands are true. OR is true when one of the operands, at least one of the operands is true. NOT returns the opposite of the operand. So NOT of true is false. You can also call this like this: NOT of true is false and NOT of false is true. NOT of false is true again. XOR, on the other hand, is true when both the operands are having different values. When one of them have a value of true, the other one has a value of false, XOR returns true. So if I have true and I do a XOR of true, what would happen? False. However, if I do a true XOR of false, what would I get? It's true. False XOR of true, true. False XOR of false is false. So in summary, the operators which we looked at are AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. AND is true when both operands are true. OR is true when at least one of the operands is true. NOT reverses the value, so it makes true as false, false as true. XOR is true when both the operands have different values. One of them has a value of true and the other one has a value of false. Typically, these are all called logical operators. In the next video, let's look at a few exercises and puzzles related to these logical operators. Until then, bye-bye.